it's a song. Every bell cries out to be around. Every dawn wanna wag its tail. Life ain't nothing but a pilgrim trail. Every message needs a dove, and everything grows with a drop of love. We're all hanging on tooth and nail. It's a rocky road, this pilgrim trail. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Sometimes heaven, sometimes hell. Pilgrim trail, pilgrim trail. Let's meet up down the pilgrim trail.
I got an invite from my good friend Bruce Amato, aka Fuzzy, to come play in his neck of the woods of Colorado. And I can tell you what, I'm not crazy enough to pass up on that deal.
The put-in is at Newcastle Rest Stop, running 6 miles of Colorado River. It's a little on the chilly side because it was snow 4 or 5 days ago. We're running Class 1 and Class 2's lazy, slow section.
Right on.
Running down, we're going to get out at the Silk Dog Park, about 4 or 5 miles down the river after we stop and do lunch. The weather's nice. We've already seen the ducks and geese, and I saw a hawk fly by. We're hoping to catch the bald eagles.
Mm-hmm.
If we can, we'll take pictures of them. But come and have a good time, man. This is a good time, Colorado.
Definitely got to come join us, bro. This is it right here. Quick spot to grab a bite to eat, and then we'll get back out on the river.
What a great way to spend a day, and I tell you what, the weather couldn't have been any better. After a night of rest from the river, we decided we were going to head up to Independence Pass. The elevation's a little over 12,000 feet, and the ride up gave us an opportunity to see some very beautiful creek beds, flowing rivers, rock formations, some really beautiful trees, and it just really expressed the color that you can see in this area. Beautiful greens. Once we got above the tree line, we were able to see that there's still snow on the ground. Also had an opportunity to see that there were some really beautiful wildflowers. In fact, a little later I'm going to come across some wildflowers that looked like bluebonnets, but I know that they weren't, and if you know what they are, please leave a message letting me know exactly what they were. In addition to the foliage, the views are absolutely spectacular, and you can see for miles and miles. At this point, you can see several different peaks, all over 13,000 feet, including Auray Peak, La Plata Peak, Rinker Peak, Lackawanna Peak, and Casco Peak. After a quick picture at the Continental Divide and a stop at a beautiful creek just to kind of rest and relax, we headed back down for the evening. The next day we headed out to Meadow Lake. On the way up we saw a drove of sheep that weren't really interested in us at all. We went ahead and stopped so that we can give them an opportunity to graze. One thing that I found very interesting, though, among that drove of sheep, I was able to find a black sheep. By the way, here come those flowers that I thought were bluebonnets. Let me know if you know what they are. Fuzzy was such a great host, and he actually only asked me one favor. He asked if I would mind capturing him on his kayak using my drone. As much as I love using my drone, I had absolutely no problem with that whatsoever. It gives me an opportunity to get a little bit of practice, and you can't really beat the views of this lake. As you can see, the water is crystal clear, and the way the sunlight dances on the water, as you can see down to the bottom of the lake, it is very awe-inspiring. In fact, it's so clear that it's probably about 5 or 6 feet deep below where he is now, even as close to the bank as he is. Once we were finished up at the lake, we gathered our things together and headed back to the campsite. We had a very restful evening under what was pretty close to a full moon, with quite a bit of wildlife around us. But as we all know, all good things must end. So at this point, I have to say goodbye to Fuzzy. Thank you. I really appreciate the opportunity that you provided for me to enjoy this time with you, and I certainly wish you all the best, always. Once I had the area all to myself, I enjoyed a peaceful breakfast and had the opportunity to enjoy that breakfast with a doe who decided to have her breakfast just a few feet away from me. As I was leaving, I could not pass up the opportunity to capture the beautiful valley from that mountaintop as I was headed down.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?